Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video I want to show you how to generate auto captions on CapCut. To generate auto captions for your videos on CapCut, it's very simple and very basic to do. The very first thing I want you to do, I want you to open up your CapCut app. So once you open up your CapCut, then you want to import the video you want to edit. Let us say let us assume we want to edit this video. So how do we actually add auto captions to this video? So it will automatically generate the words or anything that is being said in the video as text on the screen. So that is what captions means. So how do we do that? Once you import your video, the next thing you want to do, don't tap on anything. Do not select the timeline. Do not select the video. Let it be as default like this. Then if you look at the bottom here, you are going to see where it says edit. Then we have audio and we have text. I want you to tap on that text. So let's tap on text. So once you tap on text, it will bring out something for you. At the bottom also, we are going to see where it says auto captions. So I want you to tap on that auto captions. So let's tap on that. So once you tap on auto captions, it will load up this interface for you. On this interface, what you want to do, the first thing, you can see under here, you can see where it says templates. This is where you get to select the template that you want for your captions. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be selecting the first one, not the default, but the first template here. So can you see it? So just tap on that template. So once you tap on it, that means you have selected it. Then if you look under the captions, you are going to see where it says advanced options. I want you to tap on that advanced options. So once you tap on it, you are going to see where it says translated language. Tap on that translated language. Then this is where you want to select the language that you want. For me, I want my captions to be written in English, to be translated in English. So I'm just going to select English, then go back. Once you select English, go back. So once you select English, that means you have selected the captions that you want and you have successfully selected the language that you want. The next thing for you now is to now tap on generate. If you look at the bottom, extreme bottom, you are going to see where it says generate. So I want you to tap on that generate. So once you tap on generate, it will start generating the captions for you. As you can see, generating captions. So let's come down and wait for it to be generated. So let's wait. So it is on 99% now, almost generate. So let's wait for that to generate. So once it is generated, you will see how it looks. So let's wait and see how it looks once it's being generated. So guys, as you can see, it has been generated successfully. So let's play that and let's
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel.
Can you see how it
In
looks?
today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use
so guys,
assistive
how you can actually generate auto captions on your for your videos on your CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.